guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, if you're new here, because I know some of y'all is new here, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you punch that subscribe button, hit the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. So listen, I feel like the stepchild on Ibotta. Like these dollars ain't making sense. And so this weekend I need 15 offers for $1. So yeah, just like the last haul, ain't gonna happen. And so I don't know what's up with Ibotta. I see some of y'all is still getting $5, but your girls been getting $1. And so $1 for 15 offers ain't gonna happen. Definitely ain't gonna happen today. We do have a larger bonus, and what is it called? My app ain't been apping. I just left the gym, y'all. I got a good workout too. I ain't even gonna lie. Yesterday was Josiah's last day of school, and that's why I couldn't get this video recorded. So I'm recording it Saturday morning. So this larger bonus is called the $10 S'mores Savings bonus. And for that, I need 65 offers for $10, which is more than it normally is. Usually this type of bonus would be like 48 offers. It expires on the 16th of this month. So yeah, usually it's 48 offers. So I do have more offers, which suck. And so I honestly don't even know if that's going to happen in a week. I don't know if it's going to happen because the deals ain't dealing for me, at least. And so that's what the bonuses are looking like. I don't know what we're going to do today. I feel like we're not going to do a lot because there's not a lot going on. As far as updates, in my last video, the end, I mentioned that don't forget that, that Alexa is ending. They're going to stop adding new offers as of July the 10th, but you have until October 10th to submit receipts. But I would not wait to the last minute. I would at least, well, I wouldn't wait till the last minute for sure, because if there's an issue after October the 10th, they're not going to be able to help you. So I'm just saying. The other thing I mentioned was Social Nature. I don't know what's up with their customer service, but as of right now, it sucks. All right. I had to put 3 tickets in or sent them 3 emails with no response. And so, and as y'all know, with these companies, one of the number one things is customer service. Like, everything is cool and all when you're paying me, but what happens when you ain't paying me? What you gonna do then? How you gonna treat me then? You know what I mean? And so, with Social Nature, as of right now, their customer service is getting a big thumbs down. Let me know in the comments if you guys have had issues that you may have had with them resolved. But as far as me, it's a hard no. And so other than that, you guys, I can't think of anything else to add. Oh, really quick. With Brand Club, I noticed that the referrals went down to $3. I noticed it yesterday. And a lot of their surveys have gone down to like half of what they were. So there are some as low as like 30 cents. So I think it's like a 30, 35, 40, 45. So they have gone down. Although I do still have some that are in that 60, 75 cent range. They do have a lot of them that have gone down. So just an FYI on that. Other than that, you guys, we're going to head over to Walmart, which is right there. And we're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to shoot your girl out, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
Right, guys. So this first deal is on the Goodles mac and cheese. It's priced at $3.28, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also a manufacturer offer getting back $3.28. And then I also have an offer on Social Nature for $3.28 as well, making this a $3.78 moneymaker. Okay, next up is the Whole Earth. I am not going to be doing this deal. It's priced at $6.18. For this, you want to grab 2, you'll pay $12.36, getting back 6 on Swagbucks. There's also a 25% back for 1 on aisles, which is $1.54, making them $2.41 each. All right, so this next deal, I saw this offer scrolling through Instagram. So I'm assuming it's either an aisles like manufacturer type offer. It's on the Bucked Up Energy drink. This is actually what like the water enhancers and stuff like that. It's not on the like regular like aisle like with the Rockstars and stuff. It's Celsius. So these are priced at $2.60. There is an offer. Getting that back, making it absolutely free. I guess the greatest thing about this offer is a limit of up to 12, and I'm kind of low-key thinking of getting 12. Because it'll make them all free. I just wish we had other offers to make it a moneymaker. It is a brand on Brand Club, so hopefully this purchase will unlock surveys for me. And so yeah. All right, so next up is gonna be the Suavitel softener. So it's priced at $8.97. Well, $8.47 for the Morning Sun and the Field Flowers. Getting back $3 on Ibotta and $2.12 on checkout 51 would make it $3.35. There's also an Ibotta offer for this one here, which is the Field Flowers. It's priced at $8.97. Getting back $3.50 for my Ibotta and $2.12 on checkout 51 will make that one $3.85. I mean, it's not a bad deal. I mean, if it's something that you need. So, yeah. All right, so this next deal, they actually don't carry in my area at all. It's on the Arm & Hammer power sheets. They're priced at $14.98. So if you want to grab one, you'll get back $1 on Ibotta, $3.75 on checkout 51, and then it's also $4 on Swagbucks, making it $6.23, which I know is kind of high. And then if you want to grab two of them, you'd pay $29.96, get back $2 on Ibotta, and then you get back $3.75 for each on checkout 51. And then last but not least, 12 on Swagbucks would make them $4.23 each. And so, yeah, but my store doesn't carry them. Even if they did, I wouldn't buy them anyway, probably. Right, so this next set of deals is on the Carefree. It's on the newer ones. So there is 3 different offers on Ibotta. There's also a 10-cent any feminine care as well. So the first one's going to be on the Carefree Ultra Thin. Grabbing one at $7.48, getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on ShopMe. If you haven't did that offer yet, it's also on Alexa and the other apps as well, making that a $2.52 moneymaker. There's one on the Carefree Maxi, which this store doesn't carry. It's also priced at $7.48, and that one is working for the $6 offer on Ibotta, plus 5 on ShopMe would make that a $3.52 moneymaker. And then last but not least is the Carefree 40 count, which is $9.98. And for that one, we have a $7 Ibotta offer plus 5 on ShopMe. We'll make that a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, really quick, I was watching Miss Danielle this morning, and she did this deal with the $5 printable. I don't know why my printer ain't printing, but it ain't printing, and so I can't print it. But she used the printable for this. So if you don't have the offers on the other apps anymore, you can use that coupon. It'll still make it an awesome moneymaker. Now, if I was able to find the printable, I would order it. My IP Free doesn't have it right now. And I would do it on Ibotta, and I would do it on Walmart Rewards as well. And so this is definitely not a bad deal at all. So this next deal is going to be on the Poise pads. Grabbing 2 of them priced at $5.97. Your total is going to come to $11.94. Getting back $2 for each on Ibotta plus a 10-cent any feminine care. And then $5 on ShopMe makes them $1.42 each. Now, this is a store that no longer carries the U by Kotex liners. The 50 count or the 40 count, which used to be over there. And so we're going to grab 2 of those priced at $3.64. The 2 is going to cost $7.28. Now, I only have 1 offer left on Ibotta. There was 2 offers double attaching in my last haul, but only 1 reset. So $1 for 1 plus 10-cent any feminine care, and then $3 on Alexa and $3 on Swagbucks, and make them only 9 cents each. And of course, if you have the extra offer on Ibotta, it'll be a moneymaker for you. All right, so this next deal is on the Bacton Max on the liquid bandage, priced at $6.58. Getting back $2.99 on Ibotta. There's also $1.50 on ShopMium, $1.50 on Swagbucks, making that 59 cents. Now, another option would be this one down here, which is the cleansing spray. It's priced at $5.98. Getting back $2 on Ibotta, $1.50 on ShopMium, $1.50 on Swagbucks will make that 98 cents. All right, guys, this is the last deal. So you got to the last deal. Big shout out to you. I want to see a muscle emoji because your girl is getting her muscle on. So if you got to the last deal, muscle emojis in the comments. It's on the Shea Moisture. It is priced at $9.97. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $19.94. I'm getting back $4 for each one I bought. There's also 800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.20, and it's for these two here, the whole body ones. And I also have an offer on Fetch Reward. That's $3 when you spend $20. With the two, I'll hit that. And I only have one offer left for $1.50 on Fetch Reward, making them $2.52 each. Now, if you still have all offers available for the $1.50 when you buy one, then obviously it would be a much better deal for you. And so, yeah, other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown.
Look, y'all, I told you I wasn't trying to do a whole lot, all right? I was only going to do what was going to be free. And the only reason I didn't do Carefree is because I don't have the printable. If I did, I would have did it on Walmart and Ibotta. And I didn't do you by Kotex because I'm not driving to another store just for that one little deal. So this is all we got, all right? Now, correction. With the Goodles mac and cheese, you're only getting back $2.98 from Social Nature. It's a moneymaker still, but it's 40 cents less, I think. And yeah, that went straight through on Social Nature though. The other offer, I think it said 24 to 48 hours, and the bucked up said a day. And I went ahead and just got 12 because I was just like, why not? I've never tried these. Hopefully they're good. I'm not going to try them until I get my money back, just in case I got to take them back, because I sure will. And today was the day of returns for me. I had to go to the Dollar Tree and take stuff back, which is the Poise pads. I had to go to Walmart to take stuff back. And so, yeah. And then I had to go to Kohl's to drop off a return for some bands I bought that I didn't use. And so today was the day of returns. And so this is all that we got today. It retails $34.48. 60 cents was the California redemption on the cans. Getting back 50 cents from Ibotta. The bucked up offer is $31.20. And they do give you the option to do Venmo or PayPal. Social Nature was $2.98, and that one also gave you options as well for payout. I think I chose PayPal. The Goodles offer was $3.28, and I believe that is either PayPal or Venmo as well. So getting back a total of $37.96 in rebates. It makes this free plus $3.48, which is not bad considering it's a small little tiny ass can be haul. But I'm okay. We good. Because honestly, wasn't even going to do nothing at all today. And so, our emoji. Josiah, what's our emoji, bug?
Phone emoji.
A phone emoji. He was ready. A phone emoji. There was a lot of phone emojis, right?
Yeah.
There was a lot, yeah. Today, y'all, is his first day of summer. Right, Bug? And he got to sleep in today. How did it feel sleeping in?
I don't know. I'm still tired anyway.
He said he's still tired anyways. That means you need to go to sleep a little earlier. There's no way you should be waking up tired unless you...
Hopefully that my eyes are just hurt.
Your eyes hurt? Yeah, you definitely probably need to go back to sleep. But you could take a nap if you want. I'm cool with you taking a nap. But that's our emoji, y'all. If y'all made it to the end of the video. A phone emoji. Other than that, what else? Oh, real quick. PayPal. Okay, so as far as all of the apps, well, the sister apps, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Ta-da, I want to say this last week or so, they have been having issues, probably even longer than that, actually, because I cashed out on, I think it was Inbox dollars for PayPal, and it reversed it. He credited it back to my account because there's a long wait. I don't know what's going on with that, but all of the sister apps, it's been this pop-up that says that there's a delay with PayPal. So I've only been doing Walmart gift cards lately, and I know with Swagbucks, if I cash out for Walmart on Swagbucks,
I'll get the gift card right away. But the other apps, Inbox, My Points, and Tada, it takes like 2 or 3 days. So just a heads up on that. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.